Good evening,
everybody. My name is Joe. And if you're thinking, Joe, didn't you make this video about 3 years ago? Yes, okay, this video is a better version of that. Today is about hair oils and achieving healthier, softer hair and how these hair oils can provide a couple extra benefits. We're gonna start with a couple different hair oil options. We'll talk about the purpose of said hair oils, and I'll end with a couple of personal recommendations, some specific oils that I go to when I'm going for a hair oil. Of course, any products that I mentioned can be found in the description down below. Also guys, BluMaan is looking for a part-time social media strategist. Josh? Social media what?
Part-time social media strategist.
Okay, I got it right. So we're looking for a part-time social media strategist. If you want to apply, if you've got some experience, that is also in the description down below. We're preferably looking for people already based in Vancouver, but you can apply even if you're not there. We'll take a look at all the applicants that we get. So if you're interested, check that out. So when it comes to hair oil options, there are 4 main categories that I think most hair oils can fall into. For those of you who like to keep it simple, keep it classic, keep it pure, there's 100% pure argan oil. Then you've got the more budget option, which are oils that mix argan oil with other, usually synthetic ingredients, which still work to soften your hair to a certain extent. Then you've got stuff like this, which is a product that combines a bunch of different essential oils into one container. And these are specifically designed to promote and protect and soften your hair. And the main difference between this and the previous is that these don't have any synthetic ingredients whatsoever. They're 100% pure oils that have been mixed together. For example, this one from Forest and Shore, it's called Hallelujah Hair Oil, and all of the oils that it has, where's that package? Where does it tell me? Here it is. All of the different oils that this has in it is sunflower, sesame, coconut, olive, lemon, rosemary, lavender. Yeah, those ones. All 100% pure in this jar. And then you've got different hair serums. And these usually, not always, but usually are made from mostly synthetic ingredients. But just because they're made from mostly synthetic ingredients does not mean that they aren't as good. It depends on the product, but we'll touch on that in a little bit. And the serum that I like to go to is the Mitchel Super Skinny Serum. We'll talk about it later on. But now that we've identified our 4 categories, let's talk about uses. Why use any of this hair oil stuff anyways? I've got 3 reasons for you. First is the main purpose of any of this stuff, and that is to promote healthier, softer hair. The way you're meant to use these is you take a couple drops onto the palm of your hand and apply to clean, damp hair before adding any other product. Then add any other products you normally would as a pre-styler. And I know this comes as a huge surprise, but Original by BluMaan is my go-to pre-styling option. Then simply blow dry your hair and finish your styling routine as you normally would. Now the reason why I like to apply hair oils to damp, clean hair is because an oil is oily. If I apply to second day hair that hasn't been washed, then I usually find that if I apply like a hair oil, all that does is kind of add to that grease buildup. It doesn't look as good as it could. I stick to days when my hair is completely clean. Now when you use one of these hair oils, you should feel a noticeable difference in how your hair actually feels and your ability to control your hair in the direction that you want it to go. It'll feel healthier, smoother, softer, other comforting adjectives. And this improved softness, from my experience, allows me to control the direction of my hair better. And if you think about it, dry hair is stiffer and stiff hair is not as moldable. If your hair is soft, it'll go in the direction that you want it to go more easily. The second purpose of hair oils is for those of you guys who have a bit more sensitive hair and you don't like when products provide any tugging and pulling when you're putting them in. When you apply a hair oil before your pre-styler, when you go in to apply your pre-styler, you'll find that the oil that's in your hair and the leftover oil on your hands make that pre-styler go in much more smoothly than if you didn't apply an oil in the first place. So not only are you adding softness into your hair, but you're also improving the application by lessening the tug and pull that you might experience without the hair oil. And the third main purpose, according to myself, and this is similar to the second, but you can also mix your hair oils with your post-styling process. So after you blow dry your hair and you're going in with your finishing product, you can add a couple drops, just like maybe 2 or 3 drops of oil, mix that with your finishing finishing product in your hands. And if you want a recommendation, mixing Hybrid Cream Clay by BluMaan with a couple drops of hair oil gives you the most buttery smoothness of applications. I just suggest experimenting with the amount of oil to use, because if too much is used, you'll be getting a bit of a shiny, slightly greasy finish. But mix the right amount though, and you've got a really smooth application. At the end of the day, as you can see, there are multiple purposes of using a hair oil, and now I'm gonna share with you guys a couple of my personal favorites. Once again, these are all linked down below. The first, this is the most obvious, it's the hair oil that I've been using the most often since the start of my channel, and that is 100% Pure Argan Oil. The thing about argan oil is a couple of years ago, when the marketing hype, you know, the marketing tactics and whatnot brought this product to the spotlight, there was a lot of demand for it, but there wasn't a lot of availability at the time. Nowadays though, argan oil is literally everywhere, and that has seriously brought the price down. So to pick up some argan oil nowadays, you're looking to spend, if it's 100% pure argan oil, it'll probably be in the like $12 to $15 range, which is still, you know, for a hair product, it's still kind of up there for some people, but compare that to what it used to be, probably around the $25 range, it's come down a lot. My next recommendation is the newest to the BluMaan catalog of products, and it's a product that I actually really like. It's this right here, the Hallelujah Hair Oil. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a product which blends a number of different oils specifically designed to add moisture, shine, protection from UV, and softness to your hair. When I first tried this, I was surprised by how big of a difference it made in my hair with the pre-styler. My hair just felt really soft, and what's nice again is that it's 100% essential oil ingredients, nothing synthetic, so definitely worth a try. I'm not sure if you can pick this up in the US, but I've linked to something that I found kind of similar. So if you're international, you can find this. If you're in the US, there's another option for you. And finally, a product that I like to recommend a lot as well, that is Mitchel's Super Skinny Serum. Thing is, once again, like I said, this is made from mostly synthetic ingredients. And this might mean that you're not actually adding benefit in terms of long-term hair softness. Like, I wouldn't use this to go from damaged hair to healthy hair, but it is a fantastic quick fix. In fact, even if it's not the most natural like the others that I've mentioned, I find that using Mitchel actually gives me better smooth and soft results than the other products that I have mentioned. Now the thing is, the other ones will actually be adding some benefit, adding some health back into your hair. This one, like I said, is a quick fix, but it does a great job at being a quick fix. So if you're okay knowing that this is designed to be more of a quick fix, then it is a solid recommendation. And guys, with that said, get out there, get yourself some hair oil. It'll do your hair some good, your styling results some good. Everything linked down below. Thanks for watching. I'll be seeing everybody next time.